Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Verify these 2 points before appending the files. First one is make sure that all files have the same sheet name, and the second one is column header should match exactly regardless of its order. This is the heading order which is available in all our files. Let me show you the append process. Go to data menu, click on get data, in from file, click on from folder. Browse for folder which contains files. Here, click on this drop down and click on combine and load. Power Query will pick first file as a sample file to append, and in case if you wish to change, you can change it from here. Here, select the sheet name and click OK. In few seconds, all our files will get appended. Power Query creates extra source column where you can see all the list of files which got appended. And to remove this column, just right click on this query and click on edit. Power Query editor will get open. Right click on the source name and click on remove. Now click on close and load. Column got removed. This is how we can append files using Power Query. Check out my channel for more tips and tricks.